Hi, I'm Lucia Cangas, AVAP's Marketing and Channel Lead. Today, I will be showing you how you can activate an AVAP Cloud membership. AVAP Cloud is an advanced, all-in-one platform for managing the API lifecycle, from development and testing to deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. It delivers powerful infrastructure as a service built on AVAP technology, giving developers and business the flexibility, scalability, and performance needed to build and run API-based solutions without the complexity of traditional infrastructure. Before you start, you need three things: a valid AVAP ID, an active payment method, it can be a credit or a debit card, and a decision on which AVAP Cloud membership you want. It can be a professional membership that's designed for small business, startups, and independent developers. You could choose a business membership that's ideal for growing companies and developing teams that need greater scalability and control. Or if you need an enterprise membership, the one that's tailored for large organizations, you will need to contact us. So let's get started. Let me share my screen so we can go through the process of activating an AVAP Cloud membership. The first thing you need to do is go to AVAP ID site. That's avapid.com. You include your email and password to access. Once you're here, just confirm you have an active payment method. Here in the menu, select payment methods. And here you see I have a credit card. Then you have to go to the license and subscriptions section. Here you can choose between AVAP Cloud Professional or AVAP Cloud Business. For the purpose of this guide, we will choose AVAP Cloud Professional. So we click on Buy Now, and then we need to check all the information. So my package is AVAP Cloud Professional. I have my payment method selected. I can choose to have to pay on a monthly basis or to make one annual payment. If I choose this, as you can see, you have a 2-month discount. So instead of paying $145 each month, you will pay $1,450 for the full year. I will choose the monthly payment. And as you can see, you pay the full price the first day of every month. So today is the 31st, so I will only pay $4. But tomorrow, that's the first day of the month, I will pay the complete price. So you click on confirm, and the payment was successful. You click on accept, and you can check your email, where you will find all the payment details of your new AVAP Cloud subscription, and you now can log in to AVAP Cloud. So you go to AVAP Cloud site, that's avapcloud.com, and you type in your email. Oh, sorry. And your password. And there you go. You now have access to your new AVAP Cloud membership. So I hope this helps you get started. Thank you for joining me, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.